Guys, it's now clear that crypto has failed. The altcoin season was cancelled, and we're probably going down from here. The launch of the Ethereum spot ETF was a big failure, showing that while Wall Street and sovereign funds understand Bitcoin's value proposition, Ethereum is not considered a good investment among institutions. And if there's not demand for Ethereum, there won't be demand for Solana, XRP, and other tokens. The cherry on top is that Ethereum didn't even manage to hit a new all-time high, potentially breaking a 10 years uptrend. It's becoming increasingly clear that while Bitcoin is here to stay and grow, altcoins are just a trendy bubble which is about to burst. And 2026 could be the last year for altcoins. Think about that. Meme coins were the hottest thing in this cycle. And this demonstrates the amount of speculation which is taking place in crypto. 10 years after the launch of Ethereum, the chain has just been raped and abused to launch hundreds of scam coins. The oldest Solana projects are either centralized or just meme coins, and 90% of the tokens that you can trade on Solana DEXs are meme coins or scam coins. Honestly, stablecoins, Aave, and Uniswap are the only blockchain products that have real utility in crypto. To me, crypto looks like a giant casino right now, nothing more than that, if we exclude Bitcoin and ICP of course. So what's special about ICP, and why will it survive the 2026 bear market unlike hundreds of other crypto projects? Because ICP enhances the interoperability of Bitcoin. It provides solutions for Bitcoin to scale and for developers to build decentralized applications that natively interact with the Bitcoin network. ICP is working together with Bitcoin instead of providing an alternative to it, and this is one of the main strengths that will allow it to succeed in crypto. Thanks to chain fusion technology, it is possible to sign Bitcoin transactions on the ICP network and benefit from the speed and scalability of the internet computer. This allowed ICP to become a leading Bitcoin layer 2 with $70 million in chain key Bitcoin transactions and over 300 developers building Bitcoin-enabled decentralized applications. The best part is that there's no bridge between Bitcoin and ICP, which is great in terms of security. So every transaction is an actual Bitcoin transaction, but executed on the ICP network. In addition to the Bitcoin integration, ICP is a decentralized cloud computer which is capable of running LLMs fully on-chain. It is the only blockchain on which you can build a truly decentralized AI. I recently published an interview with Ariane Buick, who's the first ICP developer to be able to run a large language model into an ICP canister. And with his company, called Onikai, he was even able to run DeepSeek entirely on-chain on the ICP network. And you can imagine what are the implications of that. By running LLMs into canisters, you keep control of your applications. You know what are the inputs, what are the outputs, and that your AI agent is working exactly as you want it to work. Every company that produces smart devices is searching for ways to run AI locally and keep control over it. But running it locally requires a huge amount of memory. However, if they decide to deploy their AI agents on ICP, they can still keep control and sovereignty without consuming the memory of their devices. Sovereignty is not only important for AI, but also for cybersecurity. When you deploy your application on the internet computer, the code of your application runs within a canister, which is a boxed-in environment within the ICP network, which is isolated from the internet, providing extreme levels of security. By deploying their applications on the internet computer, enterprises can save billions of dollars per year in development, maintenance, and cyber attacks, as the Internet Computer Protocol provides an easier and more secure way to run web applications. As you can see, ICP is revolutionizing finance, AI, and even cybersecurity by providing a decentralized cloud infrastructure that users and enterprises can leverage to build fully sovereign, decentralized applications that don't rely on centralized and vulnerable third-party services such as AWS and Google Cloud. However, DeFi, DAI, and even dApps are relatively new concepts, and the first pilot tests among corporate entities are seeing the light. But once the whole Web2 industry will realize the importance of having complete sovereignty over web applications, the adoption of ICP will grow exponentially. Or at least, this is the outcome I see as a crypto expert with almost 10 years of experience in the field. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. Do your own research as well. Nothing in this video is financial advice, but if you like this content, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next episode.